Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this Asian minced pork lettuce wrap. Let's get started! Let's start cooking. My pan is hot. Let's add the olive oil and let's add the onion. The garlic, chilies, I don't have fresh ginger, so I'm going to use ginger powder. And let's add the minced pork. And now let's add the sugar, the fish sauce, and the dark soy sauce. Cover and simmer this for 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes. Check it. Ooh, wow. Look at how it changed the color. Wow, look at that. How it caramelized. You can see the color is getting darker. Add some spring onions. Beautiful. Oh gosh. Sizzling SPICYLICIOUS pork. And my sizzling SPICYLICIOUS minced pork is done. Yummy. Hi guys, now let's try our lettuce wrap. Wow, so delicate. Oh. The taste is so balanced. The spiciness, saltiness, and the sweetness of the seasoning. It's just so good. It goes well with the lettuce because it's very bland, right? No taste at all. SPICYLICIOUS, guys. Look at that.